Hello everyone and welcome back to another video about the features available on MP Lite. This is going to be a brief about how we can watch the option related information along with the market profile charts of not just the individual options but also of the straddles and strangles on MP Lite. To make life easier, we can view the list of all the options of both Nifty futures as well as Bank Nifty futures of the latest weekly as well as the monthly series in a single click thanks to the options table link, where you get to see the information about all the active strike prices of both calls and puts, which includes volumes, implied volatility, open interest, along with change of open interest, etc. There is also the put call ratio, the PCR, not just of the complete options OI, but also of the individual strike prices, along with the latest straddle price, which is the combo of the call and the put premium of that particular strike. We also have the strike pain number, which is the total outstanding volumes at that strike. Apart from this, we have the MP related information, which is the VWAP and the POC, volume POC of the day, which can be important references on days where the OI, the open interest, sees a big rise or a drop. We can click on any of the option strike price, be it the CE or the PE, the call or the put, and it opens up the market profile chart of that particular option in a new window. It gives you the last 8 profiles by default and shows you all the important references like the value area high, the initial balance, the VWAP, and the POC. Just like the futures chart, we can also make a composite of the options charts where we have value overlapping, which helps us to find if the market is in a balance or an imbalance. To view the straddle chart, all we have to do is click in the middle, click on the strike price in the middle column, which will open up the MP chart of that particular combo. And it gives very important visual representation of what is happening in the combo, which in turn gives a good bird's eye view of the market. For example, in this chart, we can see the value is forming lower. So we can assume that the writers are selling this combo and eating the premiums. We can also view a strangle chart. To view a strangle chart, we will have to select this call as well as the put by selecting the checkbox next to it. For example, if we want to see the 10,400 call and the 9,900 put, we select these two and we get a link at the top of the table, which we click on, and then we get the respective strangle chart. We can reset the date as per our liking. We can also see individual day profiles. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.